is I'll show you how to make the heart, and maybe we'll put a frog in the middle of the heart. So to make the pop-up section, you take your second cardstock or paper and you fold it in half, and you take your pattern and you just sort of wrap it around like that, and we're going to cut that pattern out. Make sure you don't cut your tabs off. You need those tabs. Okay, and that's our base heart. And now if you want the frog to be sticking out, you need to do 2 layers of hearts. So I'm going to cut the second layer of heart like this, just about a 1/4 inch in, and you just cut up to about where the tab is and stop, and then go the other side and do the same thing, and then just bend that like so, and that's going to cause you can make a little pop-up with that. So this will pop forward and that heart will pop backwards. Now to make our frog stick out, he's a little big here, we'll stick him on the heart. Let me get them off of there, and then we'll just sort of cut around him. And you can take the X-Acto knife and we'll just cut him out. And remembering to leave him attached, I'm going to leave him attached at the knees here. And you take your X-Acto knife. And you cut that all around the little froggy. Let me see how it's coming here. He's going to poke out